Hey folks, Aaron at Redbird Speed. I want to talk about a customer's 12 bolt we have here. So this is for a 98 to 02 Camaro using stock disc brakes. So what we've done here, we've used a flush mount housing end. So what I mean by that is we're going to send them axles with no bearings on it. The bearings are coming loose. So the way this works, you drop your caliper bracket on, press the bearing on, press the press ring on. We have some inner housing seals here. There's a provision in the base of the housing end where those go. Once you get those installed, slide the axle in. Bearing will sit flush with the outside of that housing end right there. Caliper bracket goes up against it, sandwiches it all in. Bolt those in with the included T-bolts. Also, this is set up to work with a factory suspension. So we've actually got a 4-hole adjustable lower control arm bracket here, so you can adjust the tire hit. You got your shock mounts, got your spring cups. You've got your torque arm provision, comes with torque arm bolts, so that will work with a factory torque arm bolt. This is your plug, goes in the side of the casting. Access hole in the end of the axle. This customer, instead of going with the 12mm factory metric stud, wanted to go with half 20 studs. If you have Willwood brakes on the front of the car, some aftermarket brakes, and you want to switch up the studs, that's something we can help. So as far as the internals, this has a 33 spline Truetrac, so I would be comfortable with this going in a 600 or 700 horsepower street car. These are 1541H American-made axles, very strong axles. The rest of the internals, we got the 33 spline Truetrac posi. We've got a US gear 373 ratio, so that's a 3 series carrier to work with that. We put a 1350 U-joint on here. The reason being is it's bigger, stronger. Also, if you have to get a conversion U-joint, you're wide open. There's a lot of options there. As far as rear covers go, we have upgrades like this TA cover. You have the main cap studs here. They're going to put additional support against the main caps right here with these swivel studs. These are really nice if you're in a high horsepower launch and that rear's trying to flex. That reduces deflection, keeps everything nice and in place, and reduces gear deflection and maintains your gear life a lot longer. So any questions on this, be sure to just give us a call, 260-301-2424. We can narrow this. You can see that there's a pretty good amount of real estate on each side, so if you want to take an inch or 2 inches out per side or a ½ inch out per side, they're all made to order, so whatever you want to do. So again, this is a 12 bolt. If you've got higher, like if you have 1,000 horsepower and want a 9-inch, we've got 9-inch options. There's Dana 60 options. There's a lot of routes we can go with this. So any questions, want to powder coat it, want to make it more narrow, different studs. If you don't want to use flush mount ends, you want to put Torino ends on it and do some Willwood brakes or Bear brakes or something like that, we can make that happen. So any questions on this, give us a call, 260-301-2424. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching today. Have a good one.